Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you how to dress up your dreadlocks and make them look like goddess locks. If you want to see how I create the basic dreadlocks on my dolls without damaging the hair, make sure to watch my dreadlock tutorial. Give the illusion of the doll having some loose hair out of her dreadlock, I add some strands of extension hair in the hairstyle. For this specific look, I used this curly synthetic hair from the beauty supply store. I cut the strands in half to make them the right length for the doll. Then, I split the strand in half to break up the curl a little bit. I loop the hair around one of the dreads, take an elastic, and simply tie the extension together around the dreadlock. When you did that step on multiple dreadlocks, you can start accessorizing some of the dreadlocks using the method I show in my glitter hair video. With this step, you can go as crazy as you want. I usually like to focus the glitter on the front of the hair to make sure it really pops. And after that, you're already done. This method really adds a lot of texture and movement to the hair and is a super easy and quick way to change up the look of the dreads on your doll's hair. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more looks of my dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!